How to fix message fail to send error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix message fail to send error on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first step to follow is check the network connection. Ensure that you have strong signal or connected Wi-Fi. Try toggling on the airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection. Swipe from up to down in this way and locate airplane mode. Tap on airplane mode for a while to turn on and after 2 or 3 seconds turn it off. This will help you reset your network connection. And once you do that, if your Wi-Fi is not working well, you can switch to mobile data and then restart your phone if the signal appears strong but the issue persists. The second step to follow is simply check this SMS settings. Incorrect SMS or MMS settings can cause message delivery issues. Simply open your messaging app, tap on the profile icon at top right corner and you will access to the settings by tapping message settings. Select the RCS chats and verify that your SMS center number is correct. This is typically provided by your carrier. The third step to follow that you have to ensure that you have sufficient credit or active plan. If you are on an prepaid plan, insufficient credit or an inactive plan could block message delivery. You need to simply check your carrier account to make sure you have enough credit or that your plan is active. The fourth step to follow is simply clear cache of messaging app. Tap and hold the messaging application and the I button here to access your app info page of messages or messaging app. Select storage uses and tap clear cache. This will fix different kinds of glitches and it will help to resolve this kind of errors while sending any kind of message. And lastly, you can update your messaging app from Play Store or App Store and then restart your phone. Once you have done that, your message failed to send error will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.